Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making power and data ready. Charge the FX3 battery to 100% or attach AC power. Once done, format a spare SD card and camera and back up your files. Next, download the official Sony Fx3 Firmware updater for Windows or Mac. Make sure it matches your exact camera model and OS. After download, close other apps. Make sure the updater runs with necessary permissions. Then connect the camera with the supplied USB cable so the updater can recognize it and start the process. You now run the updater and follow the guided steps. Launch the Sony updater with elevated permissions. If the tool asks, set the FX3 to the prompted USB mode so the computer recognizes it. Once the updater detects the camera, click through prompts and allow driver installs. The utility will transfer the firmware file and write it to the camera. During transfer, remain hands-off. Do not disconnect cables, press buttons, or turn off power. If the updater shows a progress bar, wait until it finishes and the camera restarts. You finish by confirming the update and recovering your workflow. Once the camera restarts, go to Menu and verify the firmware version matches the one you installed. Make sure all shooting modes operate normally. If you had custom settings, reapply or restore them now and reload any saved media from your backup. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: retry the update using a freshly formatted SD card, a different USB port or cable, and ensure the battery stays at 100% during the entire attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.